How we doing, guys? Today we're just going to do a quick video on how to buy Bitcoin. First of all, you're going to want to go and download the Binance app or install it on the desktop. Once you've done that and signed up, we're going to start off on the home page. From there, you're going to select markets down the bottom. Up the top in the search bar, you're going to search BTC. Press search. Then you're going to get all the pairs available to trade BTC. So you can buy from a fiat currency, US dollars or GB pounds. We're going to use BNB today. So I'll select BNB to BTC. Quick look at the charts. On the daily at the moment, each candle represents a day. The green ones have been where it's finished the day higher than it started. We're going to select buy down the bottom. Okay, on here we've got two options. We can set a limit order where we'll select the price we think we can buy it for, and if it drops to that price it'll automatically buy it for you. Today we're going to select market, which will buy it automatically instantly at the market price. Okay, we're going to buy about $20. So that should be about that. We're going to select sell BNB. Obviously that's going to buy the Bitcoin. Press sell BNB. Success. All done. Simple as that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.